What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Now, this is not a typical thing that I review, but I do have two of these things. One I did a review on, never dropped it. So this one, I will be dropping this review. I might drop both reviews. My hard drive is overfilled right now. But anyways, I got this from Costco. This wasn't an instant savings. This was actually, I think, regular price. So 60 bucks. I think that's a good price for this. The other one I got was like 80 bucks. So these things aren't too cheap, and I'm not sure if the expensive ones are better than the cheap ones, and I will not be testing all of them out, just to let y'all know. Yeah, so this one here is called Sharper Image Power Precision, a deep tissue massager. My wife loves this thing and my kids love this thing, especially when they was doing football practice and stuff. They usually use this as a massager. But anyways, this it says whisper quiet right there, 6 attachments, 6 speeds. These are like the same attachments that I have with my other one over here. Brushless motor. I don't know if anybody cares about that, but brushless means the motor lasts longer than the brush motors, just in case y'all don't know about it. The diagram of everything you can use and what you can use it for. Alright. So the main one is the ball. That's what everybody uses. The ball, the round. They got the flat right there saying is what it's good for and stuff like that. Alright. As a matter of fact, here y'all go. This the ball. It tells you what it's good for, and I'll just go around so you can see. Flat, fork, but like that's good for the neck. You will need a partner maybe to put it on your neck. Alright. Alright, you get a charger right here, and here you got your attachments. Oh. So here's your attachments. You got a ball, a small ball right here. You got the fork, and then you have the other 3 attachments right here. Look, flat, and then a flat one. And then you have these little knobs right here. Alright. And you have the machine right here. Now this seems a little bit smaller than the one I got, so here's the other one I have. Oh, it looks about the same. Yep, look about the same size. So the way it works, you should be able to just stick it in. Alright, you guys, so on the bottom there's an on and off. We just turned it on. This is pretty cool, got numbers on it. My other one, we don't have this type of digital lifestyle. Wow. You check that rumble out. Alright, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Alright, you guys, and here's my other one so you can see the difference. I'm gonna turn the power on. Alright, again, go back to number 1 on this one. Y'all see that? And this is way quieter. You guys, this is quiet. Oh, and this is better. I like this one better. Yeah, so this is level 1 on this one, and then check this one out. This is level 1. Y'all hear the difference? And y'all see the difference. Alright, so this only got 5 steps. This one even has 6 steps and it's still quieter. And then that's it. So this thing, I'm gonna be honest, it may be worth the money. This one was like, I think it was 70, but we did get this on the instant savings. So this came to about, what was 70? I think we got this for like 50 or something like that. So if I would have bought this regular price, I would probably be upset right now, because this thing is loud and this thing is ultra quiet. Alright you guys, so if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, just drop it in the comment section. I'll try to get back with y'all on this. Other than that, my wife and my kids will probably be the main ones using it. I'll probably use it time to time, but this is like the last thing on my mind when I'm in the house. I don't even think about massages. So anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you could be notified on sales that's going on, especially this holiday season.